So we are talking 7.3 logarithms today. All right. So today you are just focused on understanding what a logarithmic function does. Like, what does it mean? What does it mean? Okay. So let me just start off with an example, and I think you guys will find that it's actually not as scary as it looks. Okay. So here's my example. First off, when you have a log, you are going to have two parts to each log function. All right, I'm at the top right now. You're going to have a base number. So let's say I have a base 3, and then you're going to have a number inside the log, which is, I'll just say 9. Okay, so that's my example. That is what a log looks like. You're going to have two parts, okay? Okay, now let me translate this for you. What this actually means is 3 to what exponent? Okay, 3 to what exponent equals 9? That is all that this log is asking for. 3 to what exponent equals 9? So go ahead and put that answer in the chat. 3 to what exponent gets me 9? Good, 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 good. No, not 3. Good, 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 good. Thank you. Yes, better. Good, good, good. Nice. Guess what, guys? You just did your first log. Boom. Done. All right. That's it. That's how you do a log. You just ask, what exponent? Oh, yes. Go reprint your notes. All right. That is all that is. It just asks what exponent. What exponent. Okay. So let me jump to number 7 real quick. Okay. So let's try this again. Number 7 is asking, log base 2 of 16 is asking 2 to what exponent gets us 16? Go ahead and put that in the chat. Good, 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 good. Yep, yep. Nope, not 3. Good, good, good. Yep. Nice, guys. That's it. Answer is 4. 2 to the 4th power gets you 16. Nice. Person who wrote the answer that you typed in as 2 to the 4th, just make sure your answer is just 4, though. All right. So the answer is just 4. I know what you mean, but I just want to clarify. All right. The answer is 4. Nice. Okay. Let's do a few more. Number 8. Give me the answer in number 8. Good, 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 good. Oh, you guys are crushing it. Yep, you got it. Yep, you got it. Yep, you got it. I'll give you a few more seconds. Good. Yep, you guys are getting it. Nice. Yep. 5 to the exponent of 3 gets you 125. Good, good. Okay. Let me jump to number 10. Oh, question. I see a raised hand. You can type the question in the chat, or you can unmute yourself. Okay, but let's jump to number 10. Let's jump to number 10. Log base 8 of 1. What do you guys think? Good, 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 good. Not 1. Nope, not 1. Good, 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 good. Good. Nicely done, guys. Not -8. No. Remember, you're asking 8 to what exponent gets you 1? 8 to what exponent gets you 1? Good. Good. Oh, okay. Got it. Got it. Good. All right. Better. Yes. Okay. The answer is 0. 8 to the 0 exponent gets you 1. Okay? So I'm going to show you guys something that might help. And this is what we call the, I guess, logarithmic way of writing this. There's another way to rewrite this called the exponential form. And basically, you're just rewriting this. Like, let's say I didn't know this was 0. We can write this as, let's say, y. All right, let's set it to be a variable. And we're trying to figure out what y is. So all you're asking is, well, 8 to what power gets you 1? And sometimes rewriting it like this, people are able to be like, oh, yeah, okay, that's 0. Okay, so that's a trick you can use to rewrite it into exponential form, because your brain is just more used to seeing it like that, and that could help you get to the final answer. Okay, all right, good job, good start, guys. Okay, let's go back to this general form. All right, so in logarithmic form, you have log base of some number of some number. All right, so base b and then x will be equal to your answer y. To rewrite this in exponential form, you can rewrite this as base b to the y power is equal to what's inside the log is equal to x. And this is what we call exponential form. Okay. So going from one form to the other and being able to switch from log to exponential form is actually really handy. All right, you're able to do a lot with that. So let's practice that. Okay. All right. So number one, help me try this one. I'm going to start calling on people. Get ready. All right. So number one, I want you to write this log form into exponential form. All right. So looking at the 2 up there, that can help. So I want to write this in exponential form. Raheel, start us off. What do you think?
So you have to like ask the same question. So
Mm-hmm.
8 to. So I think it'd just be 2/3, right?
Good. So 2 to the power of 3 is equal to what?
Equals to 8.
Perfect. That's it. That's the exact same thing, but in exponential form. You got it. Nice. Okay, let's try another one. Zach, try number 2.
It would be 4 to the power of 2 equals 6. 16.
Perfect. 16. There you go. Yep, you got it. Nice. That's exponential form. Perfect. All right, let's do one more. Michael, number 3.
Um, 3 to the negative second power equals 1/9.
Perfect. There you go. All right. You guys got it. So that's how you write a log into exponential form. Okay. A little bit tougher going the other way. All right. Let's see if we can go the other way. So this time we're going to go from exponential form to log form. All right. Exponential to log form. All right. So have a look at the example above, the general one in the brown box and the purple box. See if you can go the other way. Okay. Sophia, try out number 4. What do you think?
Okay, so do you start off with
Start
log?
log.
Yeah.
And then what's the base number going to be?
Is it 3?
Good. Yes. And then what's above that?
The 4
Ooh,
or 81? The
81
yeah,
is equal to.
4.
There you go. Okay, that's what it looks like in log form. Good, good. Okay, let's try another one. Gavin. Gavin, try number 5.
Okay, so I would start with log.
Good.
and log 5.
Good.
And then I take the 2 and that goes to the other side across the equal sign. So
Good.
so it's log 5, 25 equals 2.
Perfect. Great job. Well done. All right. You got it. All right, let's do one more. Andrew, try the last one.
It would just be log -5 1/32 equals 2.
Oh, you flip some stuff around. So log, what's the base number?
Oh. 1/32.
So there's this base
Wait.
number, there's this one.
Is that -5?
So look at the example up here.
Oh, I've been doing this. Oh, I went ahead. I was doing this wrong. Shoot.
Oh shoot. Okay. So
Uh,
look at this B right here is going to be this B up here. So what is your
yeah.
base?
So wouldn't that be shoot? Hold on. I don't know why I'm stuck. This is.
It's
It
okay.
would be
Go ahead.
1/32.
Okay, so I'm going to write it right next to it. So b to the power of y is equal to x turns into log base b of x is equal to y. All right, so let's play matching here.
Oh, 2 log 2,
There you go.
and then 1/32 equals 2 equals -5.
Okay, so log base 2 of what did you say?
1/32
Good.
equals
Okay,
5.
there you go. Now you got it. Okay. Makes
Yeah,
sense?
I just had I wrote them out wrong in the beginning.
No problem. Go back and fix the other ones. Okay. Good job. There it is. Okay. You got it. Nice, guys. That's always harder for some reason. Going from exponential form to log form is always a little trippy. Okay. Let's practice a few more of these because it does get tougher. It does get tougher. Okay. You guys are doing great though. So keep it up. Keep it up. Okay, let's go to number 9. Number 9, let me call on somebody. Geo, what do you think about number 9?
So log 7 to the 7th power,
We'll give you
or
7.
log 7 7. So what 7 to the power of what will give you 7? So 1.
There you go. Good. And your thought process is excellent. It's just 7 to what power gets you 7? That's equal to 1. Okay. Now it's going to get a little tougher. Like you look at number 11. Okay. Number 11. You're still asking the same question. The answer is just a little less obvious. 25 to what power gets you 5? That's the question. 25 to what power gets you 5? So put that in the chat. Let's see how many of you guys know. Ooh, good. Ooh, wow. All right. Good job, guys. I'm sorry I questioned you. Oh, okay. Or I don't know. You can write I don't know. That's fine. Okay. I got about 1, 2, 3, 4 people who got it right so far. Okay. Perfect. Thank you for letting me know if you don't know, because that helps. Ooh, okay. I got 5 people who got it. Not bad. Okay. This one's a little trippy, right? Because you're like, wait, 25 to the power, it's just going to get higher. How am I going to get lower? So this is what you do. When in doubt, set this equal to a variable. I'm going to set it equal to y to match what we have up in the notes. So I have that equal to y, and I'm going to rewrite this in exponential form. So this is going to be 25 to the y is equal to 5. Okay. Now this becomes a problem really similar to our stuff in lesson 2, right? 7.2. Get the same base. 25, I can substitute to be 5 squared. And now, this is y to the first. Now you can actually just solve for y, right? Multiply the exponents. So you get 2y is equal to 1. Since we have the same base, we can do that. So we get y is equal to 1/2. All right, and that is your final answer. Okay, so when you guys come to a situation that it's a little bit tougher, right? It's not like numbers 7 through 10. You can do that to basically solve for the log, like solve for y. Okay. All right, let's try it with number 12. Let's try with number 12. Help me out with this one. Let's go to Maddie. All right, Maddie, what do you think? Number 12.
Is it 1/3?
Ooh, nice. All right. Or you can just know it and get good job. How did you know that though? Like explain, because some people are like, wait, what? How did you just get 1/3 out of the blue?
So I looked at problem 11 and tried to see kind of what would be the similarities between the two.
Mhm.
And I noticed, well, obviously it's a fraction first off.
Mhm.
And 5 times 2 is 25. So I kind of just did reverse to get 20, like log 25 would be 1. I don't know how to essentially explain it, but like,
I totally I understand exactly where you're coming from. Because basically you're like, okay, well, 5 square is equal to 25, right? Or you can
Mhm.
think of it as like the square root of 25 is equal to 5. So
Mhm.
what root of 8 will get me to 2? Well, the cube root. And then that got you this, so this gets you that.
Yep.
Is that kind of what you were thinking?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So I followed you. I followed you. Okay, good. Nice. So good logical reasoning. I like that. If you weren't sure how to get there, again, you can just do 8 to the power of what will get you 2, get the common base, and you can solve for y that way too. All right. So either way, I am totally okay with. Either way. All right, awesome. Let's get you some even tougher ones. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Let's try number 13. Faith. Try number 13.
-2.
Oh my gosh, you guys are okay. You guys are killing it. Good job. How did you get -2?
I just looked at the 5 and I was like, okay, so it has to be the reciprocal of 5 to the second power. So I just did -2, which gives you the 1/25.
Good. All right, because 5 square is what will get you the 25. So 5 to the -2 is what will get you the 1/25. So -2 it was. Perfect. You got it. All right, good. Number 14. Are you sure this is the first time you guys have done log? Like, seriously, you guys are crushing it. Number 14. Let's go to Gino. Gino, 14. What do you think? What would you do? This one's a little bit harder. I gotta say, this one I don't know if you could just like think of the answer. So you might need to do a little work, Gino.
I'm not sure actually. So
Okay, so when you're not sure, what do? You set this equal to
variable, right?
a variable. Perfect. All right. So I'll just set it to y because that's what I've been using. Okay. Now let's set this up. Rewrite this in exponential form.
So 4y is equal to 32.
Like that?
Y.
Or what?
No, like where y is the exponent, right?
Okay, good. Just checking. Just checking. Okay. Now what? How do I solve for y? I need the same base. So what base can we make both of those into? Gina? Good. Yeah. 2. Okay. So 2 to what power gets me 4?
2 to the power 2.
Good. All right. And 2 to what power gets me 32? You do 2 times 2.
5, right?
Okay, good. Yep. Okay, so 5. Nice. All right, now what do I do?
So then it's 2y is equal to 5, and so on. Blah, blah, blah. So then y is equal to 5 over 2.
Perfect. Good job, Gino. That was our toughest one so far. So great, great job. All right, and that is number 14. Any questions on that so far? Okay, I'm gonna have you guys try 15. All right, so try 15. Put your answer in the chat, and I'll let you know if you got it right.
Okay, hold on. So it's sorry, it's 27y equals 81
27 times y or 27 y?
to the y power
Yeah.
of y.
Got it. Okay, perfect. Keep going.
And then you have to just do the power of 27, which is, I don't even know what that would be.
Right. So 27 to I don't know what will equal 81, right? That's what we're
Yeah.
trying. So since it doesn't automatically come to us, let's get them to be the same base. Like
Okay.
what base can we get 27 and 81 to have?
9.
9, not quite. I can get the 81 with 9, like 9 square would give me 80.
Yeah.
But 9 to what power would give me 27?
Yeah, you're right. It would be so 3 maybe.
Yeah, 3. Good. Okay. So 3 to what power?
To the third power.
Perfect. Good. All right. And 3 to what power would get me 81?
Oh, God.
We'll go 3 times 3.
Power.
Say it again.
Fourth power. Fourth or fifth.
Good. 4th. You're right.
Okay.
Okay. Now what?
Now we have to multiply the y, so it becomes 3y
Good.
equals 3
Ooh, so close.
equals
Let's look at the exponents now. You have the same
4.
4. There you go. The y is equal to?
Y equals 4 over 3.
There you go. All right. Good job. Okay. All right, guys, because of time, I don't think we can finish off 16, 17, and 18. So I'm going to give you the answers. You can practice it on your own and let me know if you run into any issues. All right. So number 16, for those of you guys who move forward, you can also just check your answers. Y is equal to -2 over 3. Number 17, y is equal to 2/5. And number 18, y is equal to 2/3. Okay. All right. All right. So number 19 through 22, it's pretty much more of the same. It's just the variable x is in a different spot. So all you have to do is kind of write this into exponential form and then solve for x. Okay. So writing this into exponential form, I got 4 to the third power will be equal to x. And 4 to the third power is 64. All right, so not more difficult. It's just setting it up and your variables in a different spot. Okay. All right, this one, number 20, we got x. Oops. To the -2 is equal to 1 over 25. All right. So a couple things you can do here to solve for that. I'm going to take both sides to the -1. So that when I multiply, I get just +2 for that exponent. And this flips the fraction. So I get now just 25. And I square root. Now, technically, this would give me x is equal to plus or minus 5. But because we're in logs, we know that this base has to be positive. So I'm just going to keep my answer to be x is equal to 5. All right, let's go ahead and try number 21. Help me out with this one. Let's go Michael Y. Help me out with number 21.
Would the setup be x to the 1/2 equals 3?
Good, perfect. All right, keep going. Solve for x.
I'm not quite sure what to do. Oh wait,
Oh, go ahead.
no, never mind. I'm not quite sure what to do after.
It's okay. So take both sides to a exponent. What exponent would you take it so that the power 1?
Wait, can you repeat that? You cut off.
Yeah, no problem. So what exponent should go here so that it just ends up with x to the power of 1?
Oh, -2.
That would get me -1 because you're just multiplying.
Oh, then 2.
Yeah, you're just multiplying. So 1/2 times 2 is what gets me 1. All right, so then your final answer is x is equal to? What, Michael Y?
Oh, sorry. 9.
There you go. Okay. Thank you. Perfect. You got it. Okay, number 22. Let's finish this off and let's see. I'm trying to look for somebody I didn't call on yet. Joanne, help us out with the last one.
So I set up it as 8 over negative 8 to the power of -2
Good is
equal to x.
Good.
And then I changed it to 1 over 8 to the power of 2.
Good. Uh-huh.
And then I got 1 over 64.
Perfect. Nicely done. Nicely done. All right. And so that's how you do it, guys. Notice it's not that different. You just write it into exponential form and then solve for x. Perfect. Okay. All right, let's go to our last problem, number 23. All right, we'll do this one fairly quickly. Let's see. Michael P., can you read this one out for us?
To measure a student's retention of knowledge, the student is tested after a given amount of time. A student's score on an Algebra 2 test t months after the school year is over can be approximated by yt equals 85 minus 6 log 2 t plus 1, where yt is the student's score as a percent. No calculator.
Okay, perfect.
What was the student's score?
Okay, yeah, thank you. What was the student score at the time the school year ended? Okay, so now it says t months after the school year is over. So that means T just stands for how many months since the school year ended. Well, if we're asking what's the student score at the time the school year ended, that means we're at 0 months, right? So T is 0 at this point, okay? Because we're right at where the school year ended. So we can just plug in 0, okay, for T into our log formula here. And then now we can simplify, and we don't even need a calculator because we know how to do logs now. So we can simplify the inside to just be 1. Okay, so when you guys are doing this, first start off with log base 2 of 1. Let me use a brighter color here. Log base 2 of 1. Simplify that first. So I think you guys kind of did this already with the problem in the front. This is asking 2 to what exponent gets me 1? 2 to what exponent gets me 1? So you guys told me that that is actually just equal to 0. All right. All right, so then this is just 85 minus 0, which is 85. So this is 85%. All right, so that is the retention of the student right when the school year ends. Okay. Part B says, what was the student's score after 3 months? All right. So we can plug in 3 into our T. So substitute in 3. And this gets me 85 minus 6 times log base 2 of 4. And do the log first, right? So this log base 2 of 4, we're asking the question 2 to what power gets me 4? And hopefully you guys are thinking that the answer is 2. Okay, so that whole log became 2. So this is 85 minus 12 is equal to 73. All right, so after 3 months, the student's retention score would be at 73%. All right, and that's how it's done. Okay, so when you see log in a bunch of other stuff, do the log first. All right, simplify that, and then the rest you guys know how to do. Okay,